Welcome to day 10 of the Journaling Challenge, where we're about to explore your current challenges and concerns. But first, let's acknowledge the importance of setting an intention. What if you gave yourself permission to openly examine these issues without judgment? Is it possible that by identifying and writing down these challenges, you can start to untangle them and seek solutions? Imagine this as a moment to clear your mind, let your thoughts flow, and connect with your inner wisdom. So, what if you began by making a list and describing the current challenges you're facing, both personally and professionally? Identify the areas of your life where you've been tolerating or enduring difficulties. This is the first step towards understanding and growth. For example, you might be grappling with the challenge of maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Pouring long hours into your job may be taking a toll on your personal life, causing strain in your relationships and leaving you perpetually exhausted. Or you might be dealing with a challenging colleague at work, and the daily interactions and conflicts have become emotionally taxing. By recognizing these challenges, you've taken the first step towards addressing them and fostering a more positive and balanced life. Embrace this process, go with the flow, and let your pen guide you through the journey of self-discovery and resolution.